It's that time of year when things start to seem a little tight financially. It can be expensive this time of year with the holidays just around the corner. Additionally, the prospect of a new year may prompt you to begin making arrangements for a trip, a move, or a change in your work. However, these strategies can be expensive, and depending on your financial condition, you might not be able to implement them. Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about 10 ways to make money in your free time. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Number 10. Trade stocks online, but do your homework first. Even if you need money to buy stocks, trading stocks is a good strategy to get richer. I had the bad experience of making a stock market investment just before the meltdown in 2007 to 2008 and losing around half of my money. I did, however, reinvest and make it all back a year later. Zecco.com is my favorite because they only charge $4 every trade, which is far less than the $7, $10 other websites charge. However, if you search about, you can find a site that you prefer. Number 9. Teach English online. I've come across a number of individuals who have taught English online utilizing Google and Skype. There is some flexibility, even though this involves a little bit more effort because you need to schedule lesson times with your pupils. The wonderful part is that you can make $5, $20 per hour by just talking, which is something I find to be really enjoyable. Number 8. Pick up freelance work. Check out Guru. For my personal projects, I have used this website to identify website programmers, and I have also placed my own bids on a number of jobs. Guru is a website where individuals and organizations post projects, and specialists offer their prices to complete the work. The most impressive freelancer is then selected by the company. Guru offers a wide range of projects to choose from, including writing, graphic design, filmmaking, programming, and more. Any college student with adequate PowerPoint skills may be able to find a few side jobs. Number 7. Sell things you already have on Amazon and eBay. Visit Amazon and eBay. Selling your excess junk online is undoubtedly a terrific strategy to make room in your home while adding to your financial flexibility. You can buy stuff at garage sales, from your neighbors, or buy in quantity to sell online if you want to take it a step further. Before purchasing products to sell on eBay or Amazon, it's crucial to consider whether or not your business will be profitable. Number 6. Answer questions for money. Visit WebAnswers. This website, which I just joined, seems to have promise. In essence, you get compensated for your responses. Anyone can ask questions, similar to Yahoo Answers, and if you provide the greatest response, you will receive the question's advertising money. You create a Google AdSense account. The website wants to build a sizable library of solutions that will rank highly in search results. Millions of people would read their responses if they are successful with this. Think about getting paid each time someone asks a question. Number 5. Sell your homemade crafts and products online. Visit Etsy. Do you enjoy knitting, painting, or any other creative crafts as a hobby? An ideal marketplace and platform for building a fan base of people interested in buying your products is Etsy. A fantastic method to pass the time while making some money is through a pastime. Number 4. Write articles on Hub Pages. You may produce articles on almost any topic using Hub Pages. Your article will score higher and be more likely to be read if it is good. If it is poor, it falls in the rankings and no one will use it. The cool part about this is that you can sign up for Google AdSense and connect it to Hub Pages. Then your Google account's advertising will appear 60% of the time. When users click on these ads, you get paid. I've been using the site for a week and have already earned $5. Of course, this isn't much, but if readers continue to read your posts, you might potentially continue earning money indefinitely. Number 3. Sell your photos online. Visit 123 royalty-free to sell photos. I signed up for a 123 royalty-free account, but I haven't yet uploaded any pictures, mostly because I'm not the best at taking pictures. but based on my study, this appears to be among the greatest online marketplaces for photographers. Because many of the larger ones only give photographers 15% of the revenues, I suggest this one. It's much better that this website offers the photographer 50%. The demand for images covering a wide range of subjects will rise along with the number of publications, websites, and digital books. This is unquestionably a method to earn a little money doing what you enjoy if you are talented at capturing images. Number 2. Make money via any of your strange talents or abilities. Visit Fiverr. The website is fantastic. Almost every good or service may be had for $5, $10, or $20. Willing to accept $20 to spend a week as someone's Facebook girlfriend? You never know who will accept your invitation. It might be interesting to someone if you were willing to record yourself singing happy birthday to a special someone while wearing long underwear. This website offers a wide range of activities that are both interesting and motivating. Number 1. Facebook Sweepstakes. Visit the Sweepstakes app. Unexpectedly, I discovered an incredible resource. A complete list of every business running a Facebook sweepstakes. From this Facebook app, you may enter each individual contest. The majority of them require just your name and email address. Even though I'd never been a huge lover of sweepstakes, I found this site, entered approximately 30 of them while watching TV, and then promptly forgot about it. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.